Mama obi bia kwa babio from Ashtown Radio, Ashtown Television, or share with Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, babia yedem live. Now we a maiden edition of the political show na ye monitor matters arising our NPP woman manifesto omudi tu dwa na no memenda etwem no. Me won panyifo kukuda mienu ewa ha. Wo munum nyina political analyst. Ye ne omo be pense ho na ye hunu enema hodo a ewo manifesto ni mu a de beboa oman no ene de agya wa wani tuase amanyofo de wo mu de nsem bitudwa wo mu ha wo mu nia na omaka fe be wi akire na ni nyina entumi ambam etima memfa akwanya iso na memma ya Martin ene odame yebo akwaba efamra Ashtown Radio so ebusia memma akwaba wo
yeja so
na mo hot say
adom
ya na Americans fo nyina ho ye
ugo
oye yede nyame ase America de wo wan pe bi anjoin ne de na chese na wo ye a Canada na se America
we
UAE are you any
United Asante Emirates
munya na mompe mo passport na chese
United Emirates UAE
ayo eno so ye na quickly yen hwa de MPP amanyuko e de omo manifesto atudwa wonom say eja omo last 4 years 2016 omo the change bi ba ya chese planting for food and jobs are ade na afidi enso de leadership of service a chese niam foforo sonko kra nanso yen hwe ya o ma me sha se fu so se ye hwe Ghana se say currently state a ye wo mu ya manifesto ehun behia ma ya na
ode se ba me da se mechia etifo ne abedwafo nso a ewa ha se ye hwe Ghana political history that there were times in politics and was reduced to name calling, was reduced to insult, was reduced to personal attacks. But say you follow your politics in Kakra, if 2012, though His Excellency the President introduced Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia from 2008, since he started going in for the presidency. But actually from 2012, most of our issues, our political discourse, issue based. It previously no na ye shede hu manifesto home fasosa obey enso hwan ekokan what obekan was a very few a minute population who are the intellectuals, but from 2012 no the youth no enya that enthusiasm say ebesi hu what each political party has for the nation. From 2012 ABC 2016 ID uremu afi 2020 no manifesto abeye ade bia almost everybody, even people on the street, say political parties erebeba. Now once what to me I heard near a womb. It mechanic say manifesto here because emayehu obotaye anywhere ni swadi huna owoma or mino. The party only manifesto no. Ye ni bibia ibetime de abono so say o ka se obeye we. And so unye manifesto is a social contractor. Politicians any sign say fa okokoro mutima me give me your power na me ba we na me yama nti say ye faithful to our camp near the empower mawana. We also expect them to be faithful to whatever they provide to us in their manifesto. The manifesto we are very, very important in today our politics. Maybe I
it is a fact COVID-19 ya abeya still a easy say and to abeya manifesto no still I was say yetumete because you better aba no ko ade you can say te manifesto
say benya to aba nko ade say ye dey yetumi be hye obi nsan nko ade say ye hu say ye as a man we have our aspiration as a nation eti ye aspiration no say ye nya obi obeka say nia ana baby o man pe say ye do no me kwan we ne kwan we so na metumi afa boa o man no ama na do ye nyina ye ko me fa ne say edu ibi be fa swan run about kwa fata function yesu but say ye nyina itimi du edu eti wan de na ye hunu say ye de ye kokomotima na odi be du entem eti emfa on say COVID-19 abas so far as ye beto aba ye de yetumi be hye obi insade it is very important say parties in the manifesto be ba amesu
medase ma menje odame amanfo keka say manifesto chese about for no kra mpo no sabi faso bi ani so kra na ye de yakwakotie manifesto fi say amanyofo yo mo ba de bia wo mo ka enso ye hu de etire kosi bia oye political analyst uji di say still a manifesto ne de emfa ho ne de o mo beka ehu hia say ye da so te
yo medase mechi ya ahwefo so manifesto ehu hia papa ebia na unnim ye ka manifesto kra nim adekode no na be ma wo be ka se ehu hia manifesto ni ye amanyukuo no omani suade hu kwan be fa so a omu be bu oman no na omani mu adodode a ye wo eniema obo ade de adom ye wo no kwan be fa so a de sade be ye adwuma ama omamu fo no so anya den mfa so eden wo so ti manifesto ehu hia ti se wo ya manyukuo na unni manifesto a na wa manyukuo ye no enwie peye if you say also mimfa mitumi ema yen kai se tumi no eye yen omanfo no edea nti usi mimfa se tumi ni ma emfie nan nti mfie nan no enisuade hu be na wo a eniema na wo man ni na oba de de adom ye no wo ba be yusu se eniema na mea omanyi no menya mfa so na ho eden atomi nti also di manifesto ba che se ye gold a ye wo ye diamond ye wo ye sika ye nya no kwan se na de se sika be eden ebe fa so ama wo a wo ti omanim no ho eden ho ato ti so amfa manifesto ama na se mi mfa mitumi ma wa mi mfa mitumi ma wo se wo be ye den na ama mi nti se manifesto na man so a kai se wuntimi hold nipa na accountable because wan ka bibia ncho se mi be ye we ya ma meye say amount nti no se bibi ya na ko bisa no bisa say contract ben am no wo den na kire say me ka say sa de me ya ama na mo manifesto no ba be contract between wo any say nipa no nti say ye hwa obi akasa we kan so be we kan so be we eno ne ye de hwo ye nya sa de ne we ye nya no free ni manifesto nti e man leader na wo yi no ye accountable to you. But say no manufacturer they are or better than accountable to you. Ultimately, could be something. Yeah, or the bay, share sense, she no can, ye no, or disso. Name no the manifesto ni bar, Macase may say, Macase may say, Macase may say, says only near me, my fias ye. Manifesto be a baby, and my previous one, and I'm the atoto. Ashe, and some Mosenia was I can be a move to me, aye. Anase untumi ye den untumi ye se anu ni ho no ma nti ba bi avin ye de be no ma we kura mpo a aware kura ye manifesto ukoji no ka kire papa ne so baba me ji no ma kohwe no
nti eno ne manifesto
e manifesto ade mebu and some dey na mo be bisa so ye adwuma ase ya ne me ye adwuma me ba ne me yambo oba we fi o se ya ne me mbo no mema na aduane adi to de ne kɔ na fi ase so wo bro na obekwa kɔbɔ papa ne mame amane se asɛm na obeka e bɔ na obɛhye ye no oni so omekɔ mo de me ontonto mama me ɔbo me nti saa na manyofo no so no ɔmo so mo ba no ɔkyɛw se mo fatumi ne ye de emma me mo de mame a me sei ni nti manifesto de wo ye amanyoku a so onya bi
okay so manifesto hu hia de ayaw John Boadu General Secretary NPP amanyoko o say NDC for the sebi wo mu nim say ye tenase na yan aboye tirimu po atwero manifesto bi ade ato na emom sisi ya omode ato dwa ide copy antu so mo hwe na mo nwia na mo so nya bi nka na se wo hwe John Dramani Mahama ne interviews ahodo a oye enema ahodo even kra recently kra ma tese ye leaked bi apia o mo manifesto at 31st August o mo be kan no hey bloggers a sha se kra chocho ho nsem woni o mo ya adwen se MPP the NDC o metime ahwia ana o mo ni hwe ye nti no o mo nwia
a political talk say a do political season say ya obi a person jabo ni opponent eti etumi sise obi be ka bibisa
but say JM 2016 o see free SHS enko ba bia e wo man but afei de o say oba be shemu kina iti na chese John Boadu
o man no ye nyini o man ni nyini 2016 na onyi ni say imprempre betuma ye free SHS e normal but ye wura 2017 na obi aba wa be ye no
but say ono na na eti akonya no so
na me chese office obi ba ye no unjini enura say enye ye nkyere say waba na ya ye no you should leave it to the dogs and you should throw it away as I say ope kwan a ni a wabeto no se challenges wo ho a obetimi a correct no that is what we are looking at say manifesto amode ba no you should be able to your manifesto should be able to relate to the reality say and say na eniemate na sɛne ɛsitie no me pɛ sɛ me pagya free ha ɛkɔ ha ɛnyɛ de na megidi ɛnora dem gidi enra no enne said ye nyina duru may make nonsense of what I believe yesterday because it running up into 2016 elections no now what gidi say free SHS betumi aye ye kura na gi after 20 years but enne no obi aba abecho say enya after 20 years maye nemu your challenges we have challenges with infrastructure we have challenges with curriculum into wo ba no dia na wo be ya masa challenges ni betumi afi ho nti se nipa no etworo bibiba na ene wo de senches we wia wo de eyo man na bi wo de senches we wia wo de ne mo onu hu ne se bebia ye dui onu susu se e ha ne se se yeko it will be better for us as a nation say these two major political parties edi won manifesto beba na there's that semblance and obem ye hu say both political parties really appreciate the times we are in and they have that adwin the mindset say ye pese ekoye nim na mum say ya yedu free SHS now the manifesto beba now be ignore free SHS it means you are ignoring the reality so we can't entrust our future in your hands.
So does it mean say other political parties they say gum no money and now omo policies here different from these two major political parties no omo irrelevant
ye hu on policy crowd say ke ade ye hu so omo policy document ni a then we can subject them to content analysis. But say you want policy biada. But these two political parties, if you read their manifestos, it essay. Just by say the only difference you see most often the quantum, the numbers. Or me see Nana by in 2016 or say on about we see 350 new senior high school.
Why?
Ahonye. The me who know bear 9 be na near completion.
Bear 9.
9. The me who know.
That is a no onwie.
Sana da afikro na 2016 then this was say ye 200 free 200 day senior high schools. It was omunyina believe say we should up the number of senior high schools in this country. Nemo me we hu say me 200 we hu say 350 na be possible. So you could see that there is that semblance. And me hu say these political parties really appreciate the current state we are in. And moving forward no bia the plans are obviously moving forward, but when it comes to the numbers, the figures, that is where it differs. It's for John Bodu to say the NDC is just waiting to copy their manifesto. I think it is just a political talk which need not to be taken serious because the NDC also, I believe, have very intelligent people drafting or manifesto. I think somewhere last year, October, a 21-member committee to draft a manifesto. But they have their men. It doesn't mean say they know. I remember before the end of COVID, the restrictions, they presented the copy of their manifesto to their flag bearer. I think it is just a political talk to say.
Okay, it's just a political talk. Odame, unya say a political talk. NDC there, omo sebi omo su nim nyansa omo de be twere omo manifesto.
Fa bi menene ya adwen, fa bi nso no. Menene ya adwen. Di kire say yes ye hu bi pinti. Wote manifesto committee October 2019. Besine even 31st and the where to the asheda the call 7th September. Obitini the April 2020.
But say almost 31st August or more like.
Almost
September. Na just omo person mu wi ana ase dey.
Obi nso tini the April 2020. Onu no wa ben. Wetumi de ni manifesto ababontin. So obekaya 208 na MPP na wa ben. Almost started free education who in them. The manifesto ban them. 2016, aka 3 months near collection, but now baby and be a free SHS because they started it early. Who free abem 7th January to
2017. Yeah.
As a serious political party, our opposition, you want to come back to power. Or say bananka, why ideas grab body that the way you see come at talk among food trim. What about 7th September? Into your October, November, December, 3 months. Brebe now do ideas no ebe to Ghana for three. What you say? Inti se wo twen na nyonotia be mu no with all the busy schedules or so you know on one set me trauma manifesto the babontin ya no tie che ka say who ni bibia 2 person hwe ne de na de why a copy it is say who the bibia ba na ne de ne say amnyan ka say o enye de political parties they all say yeah ideas no obeka so who to copy nti who ni bibia nti ti na ka say ne ya do ba bi ne ya uni bibia nti and we to me amfa ye den ama no nti ode ne de ne ba ye no ena we man we yi bia de funu adandan ne ma bi den ani
but ye shanka in reality no e was say nka wo opponent no wo de opposition wo timi do de betu dwa na wo na sankofo mo ni abre wo ne me so me ye me ho den
party ase nti say no say obi jina ba bi no ka say open ni de awia
no correct
untimi mfoto no so o de baaye no so de baaye politics ni ayo NDC for the kind of the buy. NPP for the ne buy na ebi wo mo betimi agina so aka say. We say a policy so maria. E politics the ni abeka bia wo opponent no hu be ye hi no. Also nti no onu ko jam ene me beto abeka say okay policy no we na de buy e na we ya copy nti see e ka na obetimi aye ni ye pa de ni o de buy na obetimi eden aye ni ye. Enye ni onu ye den e copy ye no nti say ti o John Gwedu yes smart say or the adribi to Ghana for trim say ade bia NDC for the bebe bia e de ene say no o mawia nti ye kan o betumi e de ye ne ono de ba ye no betumi to abama no
nti wonya sure say enu nti na mo nso ahye de twentwon mo na se de be yo betumi asesa nyema mu
o yes anso na wo man asem na o kan ye no man nyina so
okay
because obeka kire wo say uti wo manifesto committee no in October 2019 and so no better in there, we to me the need aba out while launching we fear see a wood did. Then they see who crying. One will bet me I can say any who near same beer. Intina to me for our manifesto here, then by or more example say or no opposition, the manifesto bar out 2 years before election time. What opposition? I can't 3 months still manifesto am I then I watching. Inti advantage no de man na politics de ni abeka bia obenya advantage over your colleague no say oyede oye inti no no kire say omunyom be wia it can happen say bi omunyom be wia e betimi aba so say omu wia but what dey ye na abaye no na be man asem na all kan no enye ngira so say so de opa mo mu fa bibia ambra eni NPP for manifesto am de aba no eye pesan say NPP na de ba kan inti obeka so ma wia
Baby amene odame enya adwen kakra ne say 2016 na work and 2012 I work the NPP presidential candidate on ba bemuda so it's a different ball game this year and so every time you go election be an opposition e will message chain incumbent why because incumbent so also be to me I dey kura wonye and so you are limited in your message but opposition no there utimi to fa babia it is always steady area ye go into 2012-2016 election the NPP always had a solid message than the NDC because they now koka ose me free SHS so ka so be kebi because na say what 4 years ade na wonye so there's that challenge but in this particular year we have a former president who has been in government before and an incumbent president now former president no say we yes what be a bar we are measuring you by your track record. And so you should be very careful what you present out. So it will take time. But the idea of presenting a fresh candidate, you can't blame the sins of the fathers on him. Say, former President Mahama Bayan, he was our former leader. Yes, he was from our party. But I'm coming with the fresh ideas. What you say?
No money otumfo nya adwen na amende mistakes ye no than said they will sit down and prepare a new manifesto.
The thing is may have a challenge with both parties, their style of communication. The NDC have very good communicators, but they don't reason with the ordinary Ghanaian when communicating. They feel say we no sanity.
Okay.
But over back to the ground no. The feeling I wo ba de wo kan entesa. But the NPP also they may have done something well, but they can't communicate it. Also that challenge. So if they will listen to the advice of Otumfuo, let the government bastardize you, say one new way. Majiatu, manye. Then time no, you have excuses. Oh, economy no is IMF. You do so empty. Yes, majiatu. But this time, baby, economy no do need. Me jidi says me ba. Imponana me what these challenges infrastructure. What do you call it? Power challenges near the idea. What IMF near the idea. No, I was able to lift our infrastructure to this level, health this level, education this level. It is a me this platform. I think I can do better. I think that is a reasonable communication. But they feel say near ye kase a year wrong no. Sabi ye ni answer den time. So I remember the former president said somewhere say first fool and you fool. But yes, I got about second time Emma NPP then second fool you fools. It's an insult to the conscience of the ordinary Ghanaian. Open Soche said, yeah, decision you taking it 4 years ago. No, we didn't know what we were doing. And your cultural values so says will be a no who are there one. And they say or backra agenitum. It if they are going to restructure their communication that angle by the manifesto no the challenge and say now they have a former president running for the presidency really an incumbent. Your message, any easy say ubeti make through message about simple like when they were in opposition. Because that time, no, His Excellency the President, not omba bemuda. And so utimi bobe you can even compare issues how corruption issues were discussed prior to 2016 election, any this year, and yet that strong to say this year, because that time, no, the NPP wasn't in government. So there was nothing to compare about how you handle corruption and how this person handled corruption. But this time, no. Obiaba, and they are careful on how they discuss the issues. That is the little change in dynamics. Make me say NDC manifesto. Do among their spokesperson, but analyzing the issues and objectively, I think that may be the reason. To Myanmar or manifesto. It doesn't necessarily mean say we have ideas and not only ideas. After all, they've been saying free healthcare. Delivery, Uber hospital free. And now when you bring this to 4, then we ask you, Baba, can you say one-time premium? Ebaso. And now my discourse no I there. And so they have to be very careful in the way how they carve it, else their track record or their performance previously, and so there should be that more on time. Say 2 weeks collection, but let's give them the time. The
so
ordinary Ghanaian
can we say that now your presidential seat has been limited? Say I say try your luck. Okona nye no correct no asaba no obenya.
Mean to me cancer because constitution ma president bia 2 terms. Say obi to me ediso. This is the first time one yama president be 1 term or say come back. It's a BC happen. But mean to me say and not say you try your error you try na anyeya you come back to correct your mistake. Media senka menya kwenya to mampeni dadafoa he should have remained a statesman, because in see that say obi betina so 1 term is historic. It's a very bad history to your name. And then see that so say nipa no so incumbent ye de 1 term ebe and see in your first term and say see so that say
margin at
a margin of over 1 million. So Mimi our advise him not to come back. Probably there's something in him he wants to give to this nation. Okay. We are the better judges say and probably
quickly or can be a statesman and a statesperson. I don't think as a more and as a political people and a political personalities will be a oppositioner on try say obeje ideas at the free the immediate state personnel or tia kunyano so say fancy me NPP ni me free akunya so NDC ni aba benya akunya no. You don't consult me say ebia oh aha we ye the same ye but you always want to build your own policies.
Kai say nipa na se me ko consult no osan aba yen ya brofo if ya brofo no kro mo ye wahwe America ni de omo ye Trump. Because ono say if feel say doctor na or yi for no me fa say hon mamu FDA for no omo approve vaccine ne emfa nwo omo na yare covid ni flu omo so no omo person ba approve because omo person olusu omo pom ya brofo no na ye bibifo a ye no wo ye so go say bibi ni sere na nunu ho akere no nti oma wo ideas na bu ni yie na next 4 years or san ba watena so yi what you say oma wo ideas na bu ni yie na next 4 years so ba wasan atena so yi o ma nti ko consult ne krampo na enya de because onu no de say fail so that I will use that one as my campaign message. What you say me use one when wahwa o kan so be we o yeye o kan so be we o yeye MPP first start here dey ni unya abo corruption so pe no aka cho say since 92 a yefi ase say ye ko fourth republic no ye ka create aban ni mienu no MPP aba abedi 8 years NDC nso abedi 8 years ye hwe omo edom do for do atum upo corruption so I no cover from that angle obe kan no unya NDC MPP ni ba ho
okay
well inti o se say ni pe mi ko consult no na o ma mi ideas na mi fan yo ma ni ni ebe mu ati ase ekura ese o de hwe infrastructure KJT a Esipon Stadium afi na old people say fi ase eba out say Kufuor na ekọ karte sword NDC be wie ye o be wie ye no o mo say eyata mills na ma esi afi edu ba du krampo a inyeme bo krampo atamos krampo na eye within the NDC party no krampo no mo ni din o mo say Mahama project ono within the same party no nti who feel say so ni opponent ba na wa so o man ideas or the be man no because ni aim ni say fail so that I will come inti no until say ye beti ye ho ase na ye benya national development plan no kura me kan say ye boka eti committee trust national development plan dey to ho say ye dey to na so man pani bia ba sa plan no so ye den o follow ya buba shedem e da ho because me ko ye na say o beti ba o mi ade ni sa ni infrastructure na this for about we here na started we na here dia o ma wia we so say you na here into with all this but at the end of the day him for na so fast so enyo manfo ti say me botai ni say me bua me manfo nanka me na me start here na me yon kwa ba be wia enye no ano no but we ni nim so o ko wie no we be ka say me na me start it anya ma ba me so me start me there nti enya dia o ko opponent no ho pass statesman who is statesman we be di umre we nti no me beji ideas obe fiu on fiu based on our mentality nti ko si say ye no ye be sesa ye na dwen afi say ni na ye wu say ye mbutanya ne say ye chechire oman ni si emnu ama atenkan no ye ko adum obi obedi obefa the end is ye do adum say ye nya sa mindset say ye mbutai ne say ye be chechire oman no inti no se me ye na we beto so na we wu aban so a me mfa botai papa bi ye den enter the me mfa ma adwen ye den emma no se enya sa adwen ne de a ene ye beko ne enya sa adwen ne pa de a enya de a ko yonko wo be fiu.
All right, abusuya me koso akai we say we a maiden edition of political show ye wo Ashtown Radio so na ye dey monitor matters arising NPP for the manifesto atudwa ye pense mu ne ehu ne ma hodo a ehu hia ne de ehu hia ye nwura ese say twetwa ne nyina afrim ya ma me sam na oso bio this year manifesto NPP amanyoko e de atudwa in 2 sentences ofa ne say
oh so this year manifesto na dey ba kwa one observation na me hu ni say make us say a summary of almost first 4 years at name moment to me anye on pese omwie we say 2016 manifesto no better one district one way one village one way freeway but in this current manifesto no shede hu sani man be wom it only give you the impression say one district one way na me kan masha se ba menwie and so when you come into their manifesto you see say they are telling you say sa we na ya sha se dada no this is the time one me pesa me ede me twaso ediwe. It is all well and good. It's all well and good, but the challenge in say they were unable to account for the reasons of some of the failures. Omunyai o ye kase be we, but ABC dinti ene ye ntumi anye unhu bibisa o nemu de obi hu ane say ye hyewe ase na ye bewi. But enya ntiase say manifesto admin 2016 for 4 years end this 7th December and 7th January of next year. Kibetimi am measure ye ho say we ade am disi mani so but mentumi anye nti yen ordinary Ghana we can appreciate why you couldn't do it. But sad then it lacks in their it is lacking in their manifesto. But all well and good, we show the general idea our manifesto is built upon. It is to continue quote and unquote the fantastic policies of more in their 2016 manifesto, which I think is the best way to go. Said in earlier, a manifesto should be real to what is happening presently. To kind will not say yes, they are being real. Say ye BBC ye so ye by pesi ye but me the name say come you challenges na am going to me anya na e bi ko bi wo free ye on my phone e bi free SHS no e ye maye but the person ye no ntumi nyen enduru sa de ntia e bia ba bia osource fund no tax bi wo say ye tua ye dodge but me wo fast no me maybe enjoy so mama hu say wenti na ma wenti me amfam do ba bi opeso do na maybe meet me adwin such that say any tax no have to be diligent to that and faithful to that tax na metua na ama memene on my nyina abedefete. I will suggest next time no we be bisa na nka wo hu the challenger ama want to me achieve each of their goals because social manifesto now for the first, second, third aspect of the manifesto is to talk about the achievement. And so when you talk about the achievement, you should be able to let us know why this is uncompleted, why this is still ongoing. And only the only thing I saw the manifesto couldn't provide for us.
What as a political analyst, no, say free SHS are NPP manu could buy no abua
papa.
One same crown also say I track systems near the ading in H no I don't so boy.
And you can a tracking system, an track system. So called America, almost every developed country a track system. Every developed country, almost.
But only different from you.
They are different from us, but we want to be there. We want to be like them.
With our children. You may.
Yeah, you may say one values, but you see you build it through one level. No? There are a lot of people out there, they need at least that senior secondary school education. But family koni ni ho. Finance the best opportunity ni ho. Ti se wonya ban na oka se mefa saa kanwa. Akola we SHS. A one to aso. Ene de owie GHS a one to aso de omu nyina beto adwuma kromu a. You see say the USS no the finishing much quality than the GHS. It is a obi timi kodru sa level na eboa no e mo no anadwemu bie ene me be obesua school na mo no atimi entrepreneur se obi ko SHS no koye home economics no sua aduane ye na fa me koni ni ho de me ko tertiary a sa nipa ni pia na oye fried rice joint wa ha once we bie another branch next year the following year no be once after we just as case was my restaurant obi ko na school dem kura no wan kwandu bebia afe ya wapedia do some papers on that or kotwaso. It is a very good policy. Me challenge and I'm war policy we only say on mampeni say boarding krobefa boarding ka.
I didn't.
I try to study other countries on free senior high school. It is only in Ghana and your boarding physical. All other countries, you know, ubako boarding a friend hostel system. You pay for your hostel, but apart from that, everything are buying for. Even in America. But I had the Abanye say, Obekwa the extra mile, which I think it in a way overburdens the government. But the government has good intentions. Or the entire offer no swaka home. Say inequalities in a woman now. I don't know benefited from one project, free SHS. Now they you 2 or more time. It shouldn't be so. They say you see you 2 school akama ya school fees 500. They say benefited 500, benefited 500. But by virtue say Odamianya opportunity to be in a boarding house or don't benefit 700 and now 800, I mean benefit less. That is where the inequality I mean change say can buy no e ho fi mu a and can bet me when yes can be so more pushing infrastructure drive in the school ni more. Though they are doing very well with infrastructure in senior high schools. It's abeboying, but our challenges say my ni e call form na ye to your boss say e be hwe ni ya. To me, according to challenges, I'm not much better than what we anticipate, and I say what we see at the moment.
All right. Odame mamemna manifesto ya NPP they are 2 you know wo fan saying.
So share on manifesto needing or see leadership of service, protecting our progress. Inti omjidi say omaye edwuma edu baby. Nti omo srega na for say omo mo na sa adwuma no omo mo ho ban no muntimi wie ni a omo wie ye no.
All right.
Nti si aminu ya Martin kan wa hwa we no promises bi foforo bia nhyeda enim ne mmaye ne aye kan 2016 no na ye to aso with few additions bi na the bear mu te say loan for tertiary students without guarantor, rent advance and other things. No, and we few ones be abemba washa. No man can na ye. Oma ye do baby. Oma ye do baby. Oma ye do baby. Nti om pese. Omo boss ade no ho ban. Na omo ye den. Omo toa so na no man to me anye no. Oma abeye. Ni eto so bi na Miniam Martin ka se osan ko mo kire ye ni enti a. Ebia adebo ma ye ntumi anye. Can say unya one party government. Unya kan ya wa ma wo opponent no weapon. Odi be shoot too.
The be politics etia.
Etia. Inti ani dey within the process in the onim. Reason no say ni na sa de we. Ye kan say ye be ye ntumi anye nti obedwene ho. Kwan be na mefa so a me next 4 years no say Ghana for ma do no de ma me asade na me de meye but so be ba beto abonten pa de on fa ma eni de never onye because onya ye pe one opponent no weapon be use on say what but we na ye bi say sade ko de na free ho who say one example say NDC can say when they come to power 110 premium when say no munya can say omo ba free primary health care no. Well, some of us said that one time premium went to ya.
Went to me anye.
Well, so obeka sa assembly I know be ye ade unya ye ya na opponent ni de no ye den. E refer you to. Nti no wudi omo ni do omunim. E na ye bibia na odi betu dwa. Nti no obeka twan say be sro me shebo. Ma ye se nti ni ono wa ye no no betu dwa no aka so ejina ne awaye no so nenye ni mugide se ne aka na onye ye no. Wudi tumi ni ma no betu aso aye den. Aye. Inti enya de on de obeba be kan ade acho inti omo manifesto no which are there new promises here then which I think is good, which is an admission say ni omo kan ye no mo ye ni nyina because if they have brought new ideas, new promises we will assume say just say ni omo kan ye no ma wie ni nyina and that's what to go on ye bi but omo hu say ni o kan no ontungui ogusu kuram ti no say protecting our progress. Which means that we are progress, we grew baby into a person of bomb ban. The only way we wait about ban so was say, Santo Mano, Nani baby or year unity. O Santo Mano, not just 1 man 8 years. That's a stone or some catch or said, protecting our progress. No one who said 4 years in term, no 2%. Still 8 years or no 2%, there no side, the other known to me and or there no dada. But 2 years, 4 years or 2. The following 4 years, someone went to a 4 years. And you catch us so. My main 12 to at least or no dear or call 2%. When some changes between so me man now or the kakaya day.
All right. Yao. Generally, offer manifesto no sector by sector. One analysis we want to say.
Okay. Me that's it. Me share manifesto na. First sector. Me person me can was the economy.
The economy.
Nation bia no near kura nation ni make say the heartbeat of the nation is your economy. So economy no e break here. You can't run the nation. me define the economy of the nation is the inflows and the outflows of cash. Sika eba aban ho, ene the efi aban ho aba oman for ho. And all the economy no sana me define the economy. Na bibia ye o man bia revolves around the economy. It is a one man control and one share economy ni ye. Na enya breaki pe obi bia
asay.
And I will never be also a way in any year and also a baby consider from 2012 BC 2016. Yen to me and share yen canny hunsen, you know, a breaking economy. No, me Kaisa Kase farm company or not manufacture farm can be war Kasawa. But because of doing so intino, they have to shift production from Ghana to Cote d'Ivoire. They say farm from Cote d'Ivoire near the car offer. Because on to me, yes, you can't talk fuel, and when a gent set him say, but the power, no better 1 city. Yeah, T said Cote d'Ivoire, Benya stable supply of power. Ebema with me production at a low cost. But how this okuto fuel, gent set it me say anytime you buy repair, so the cost no ever cost. Ne say it water production, so more production line in a lusu on a juma. Omunye lusu on a juma, a buy income tax a onya. Na when you sika e de abo man ho bra no eno so ekọ etisika e ba ban ho ne so ate ntisika efra ban so akọ omanfo no so enso so beti because ye tua meka no na manya bia ma wo aban na manya bi ma wa so anya bi dia ye infrastructure project am so me benefit it is say sa ne ma na so economy nim say wan so mu yie na wan hwe ni ya economy ni break ya o man ni nyina break to hwe former president time one yes he acquire me fakope policy credibility because of the policy biaba na intimi hold the economy no man intimi producing here opese o produce na ye ka ye economy na Ghana nankasa na ye wo ye informal economy a ye ne rane
informal economy a
wo ho ye the formal ones and the informal one abanuma aban intimi hu se we tua ka sei nti say a tax amendment as income tax, say a tax I ha as VAT. But informal ones now, yeah, you see from her. A man for be nyuma bebrea or no de na you see the tirisu na nis you see the tirisu na will bebre and not do so change formal sector. It omunusu a certain quantum of money say yen can yet me run the economy in the world. It is already 2012 to 2016 now. Doom so affected the informal economy no any formal economy ni boom. The tone you nya blog and fan tone you. Well, what me nya the French money in blog money goes into ono so adwuma say. Ama farm can so ye adwuma kese no so ase. It bibia ebeskata. It I took particular interest in MPP one economy on manifesto on the economy no. Na dey ba ko e catch me pa say almost say made in Ghana product ebe koso. Na e say the onim to no e dey nigina twere no ano. Se ehwe mampani say obesi so a abiri bi obeba bedwem so be kasa bia ya hwene natade. E ya de amani je ho pa. That love for local made atano, local printing. Many jumpa before said na obeba be president nipa na metam so yes apa ye Pentecost chairman Eric Nyameche apostle on fa local print no eniago it is say ye de ye nyina ye be me ani age ye local made product no ho a sikanika
eno so ne asem no
sikanika but bibini so adwene say na Ghana ni adwene say ye ne ha nya papa
sa pepepe
Uba Kogeti, or Muyesu, you are trust made in Italy. Minim say, America, Italy, you say,
or the Ghana of
Italy's
Yento.
When you made in Kigiti, pe Ayeka. Let's begin to cherish our own. To say, our government, I am not going to say, we push the local industry now. Me for a so say, and your oma ninya entemso. Because the local industry need to me kura. Ghana beyond 8 days in the Nisono. Why you be a grant because we have people down here, we are very intelligent and very good in whatever they do locally. I really love made in Ghana things. Pe niema we na baso abo kwa yesibibi di Gucci
Versace ni ade
team can to sa product ni bi da enye se mi to I love made in Ghana things. This aban be timi pumping more money there ebeboa we share under the economy now ban ka say under this economy no be make sure say obeboa pharmaceutical industries no we produce yendro here. I think the COVID-19 gave us a better platform to do this because COVID-19 buy or even America was short no NPPs. It is America now out of their surplus was short here. It's a baby do trifa. It the industrialization nature of the Ghanaian man as I say a year to say produce PPEs Obahano Ghana ye dizone nama bu say face mask dodo na ye tona ye local ones we turn the fabric say on ko pamata de kra na na ye fashion see betimi amasa economy way the informal economy and say the local economy na ye wono aban betimi pumping more money into it ebe boa ye aso man na tumi ama economy no egina because ye twen say obi nko ne budget na nsesa aka on the budget echi no or their brain ye ema ye ntimi ye budget we can't grow as a nation. We need to take our destiny in our own hands. When you go under education sector abana ye say onon oba obema free SHS bia free Wi-Fi. This is a repetition from their 2016 manifesto. Why couldn't they fulfill this? They should be able to tell us why they couldn't fulfill it. Because the infrastructure to provide this, I think, is already there. Bebia ECG LBR or more fiber optic cable it can carry the Wi-Fi. It may be electricity could be between the Wi-Fi core. If senior schools, almost all of them have access to light. So the government, I think, should have been able to do this. But Russia, abaninga buy no, when me follow the manifesto through and through because there are some things the nation needed urgently. Maybe to say ambulances for every district. It wasn't in their manifesto, but now it was a need, a pressing need. So they have to do it. So manifesto need be. Let us know why you couldn't do it. This one, ABR. Necessary channel resources required because when you do the need analysis, we are more present than the other. It is also under education. Now, free Wi-Fi. So to me, everybody teachers for their research. Everybody students for their research because education system it do be not acquire the teacher be any effort. The thought that a child didn't be paying. Ye say ne ka no mfa well kawi na could say amfa but krana will access to research ne why na obetima back say o can you say you get opportunity to make the necessary question and even before you go you can better prepare yourself na under rent house and
never mesa ba so ma menko odame ya waka bebre na ye hwe o say Wi-Fi no boa nkwada na boa a teacher for nso. They say social media has been a tool damaging youth very, very seriously. Now, you said manifesto be to you say Wi-Fi near their dino. They say GS say or be review the law. I say students must not use phone. Not just NCBiano and Quadano or the phones be cool school. Ebe boa mine.
Ebe boa. You regulating here. So bekaya internet cafe bars for front. Na nia or TH na will regulate no koto time there are certain sites go no block no ntimi nko like porn sites and other sites no kwa enye so we can control it e betimi a control no ukọ some hotels in na asefo but go on ma akwa they will give you their Wi-Fi password but you can't use it to download ntimi fan download movies because they been one more on the movies be a what especially man the series be no one or downloading 11 iPad so well we're regulating to bit me regulating say there are certain things you can use it for technology what you say there are certain things you can use it for and there are certain things okwa brochira omu use and for next stop on chair we want to get there Nti say always ni anhwe the positive side ni yesi ye hwe negative ne nko a ye nko ye ni mu da. Nti me media me pren so with regulations say ye regulate no ya de no. Okay, we know say school from 8 to 2. Nti from 8 to 2 ye dia to for research ni na say for or classroom ni na say for after 2 o'clock you close no prep time ye bia ma say 1 hour say 2 hours ye bia ma ye nim say ball 11 12 or say woda ma 2 message bia just the next morning what you say say because say or ti ho no ma oni classroom no or ni dormitory ho dia satan on ye hwe nti ani obenya kwan but teacher ni gire na anim ne de enye den you get 1 or 2 people but majority no into me ye den so it can be regulated.
Tertiary institutions on Wi-Fi is regulated.
Yes.
That site you can never visit.
Won't mean visit. Inti any day. Who say Ghanaians ye experience that. Inti eba from na ma sadri we nyina ba yitin but obi a we educated kakra wa ko nanim onim so sia ordinary person ni hunu wa bonten no. Yes anete. But for political expediency inti go so obi ti abonten for political gain obechirem. If you remember, I can't remember say I can't see any drones in background. As minister Mabeka said the Bechucha which she knows say I didn't all can. And yes, Annette, it's not even possible, it's not visible. But the way are then of farm edify until we Ghanaians no see a Jitum say we are changing. Now what years is here Ubetini will be a team come over Asia baby, Singapore baby, face to face through your phone. Inti say ya bresi ya mu with it near say ya per se ye nyini ye yes abrofo na all this are part of it on what 100 years ago afi na ye starting into with that one dey me hu say be creative.
All right, generally no offer manifesto no as a who are who saying.
Oh yes, as I said earlier no say a continuation of what they said and it's good. There are new innovations in it, say rent no who say manifesto no e fa baby so tre form waye who say omo can say ye be ma rent. That's what they said. Ye be ma rent because only so much time to explain it na ye the duty of in central for sanka ye betu ye bosania ye ni afa no one by one ni a chechire mu rent na for no e dey mo o si o ma ye trace o ma e be yi nti minu akọ ti hey ya fa wa ha adwuma we ID card bi bia Ghana card bia ye adwuma ye regulate ye tu aka fa bank let's assume say adwuma ni kuma se ya e wo sunyan ya fa e dem so ojo 5,000 that moment no afa gba na best start ye adwuma na abosum ye tu aka government ni say fine ye wo rent tax wo ho but because e ko di efie wura 70 ontu ya nti mi be regulating no konya dan na if you run in fan account number ye den e ma me abani tu ade ato na account number ni no wate ne tax no na fe wu ye adwuma na bosom so ne ye tu ya wo ka onu aban na tete wo nkakra nti se wu peja 5,000 ni na ade akọ no de se no ye ne sa which is good. Because nipa bebre da bontin asanka onyo bia o se bosumi bia meju e bia 200 cedis an go betimi atua but nipa na calculate e den abom 2 ema ni fiewura no ahoto so se nipa simasi de aban na etua tie de obetua what you say we share Ghana rent law na yes me advance in 6 months. But they think if you run 2 years because when you say me go 6 months, you pay better than kukuro. After 6 months, let's charge a better tradable. You tia bedding. In the abandoned leverage amount. When you say permission, shana me wunu or shaha, you tia the casse or 10 tax into a bema taxi be a was a woodiano, ubetia. If you run, share dying, would ye a minimum tax in this is rent tax minimum agent for because we call it dying na 15,000 for be 3 years me ma agent de 1,005 oje di kwa
wakɔpɛ dan ama ɔne kɛkɛ no
odi ɔno kura before be do e obeka cho so oje 1950 cedis wodo kɔ ne dan no umpo 50 cedis ubetu yama no ansa na wanya dan na wie no wa beje 10% of the total amount na efie wura na ye den eje wo no nti say efie wura ka den so obeje 5,000 na me betu 500 which means say me rent a mutual na 5,500 because of agent abenya taxi bia wo so ba kwan ye da na nimu no ohye sa ba be ba be ye nti ye kwan a through that no ade ebeboa ama aban no tax we no net no ebe widen obi amfa no ho ye den endi na me believe say yes na if you are holding the government accountable what me holding accountable say this amount tax receipt oko the advanced country na at the end of the year no o tax returns nyina no ye hwe no atua na asan calculate ni atua bi ama for being faithful say wutua nti ye inkakra de be den ye de be do on that no I think say it's very good na so who's the free SHS no one question people are asking they say after free SHS how would they go to university
and so yasem
well no quickly say I'll give you a guaranteed free loan into which means say on cha free SHS no so aha ne de enye me na mefa ho ka but me guarantee amount now where to ya then what I think that after SS you can go to university at any time so what about after JHS no
you can't delay
but as for a minimum dia wa when in ma for nya wi afi no ko tertiary o wi SS no decide so be wada no wow into a warrior at the age of 22 wa when in ma for we also won bi no I started tertiary well inti when you free SHS no inti for now after free SHS na say in more than ukrampo na or say guaranteed free unu ye ko bi ekopelu no nipa ye pe no ka che say me pension because minimum bi or no dey the senate a guarantee am obi na nipa na ntu ya do all ko je ne pension no interest abaso ama yati ni sike ni na tu ko po obi krampo a wo fa kura osuro unu kura osuro jiso ko ni obi na no kura ni ono onya ti so awie school anu o monitor do be to atu wan yaduma no afi ase frefre say me pa cho ye na kotu ya ulo no na me pension ye den ankam nti ya no da policy ya me fi say ebe boa ama free SHS no because na me dadun say after free SHS nti me de na futu na bitu amanfo say sika na nka de betu aban free SHS re boa no ye den egu ho na so owie a wo de no ahwe ne den tertiary na ba ne de this policy I den aba into who the any say ubetwa odi anu nti ene nkwala no ma ba na futu kakra me dey fa so am ne say omu yo mu nsia de god they had we didn't get it well bi no mo kan me quickly me refi track system no mo kan no me makwa no pa de wi school da ene kura wo so tertiary ye wo bi no ma omo kon weekends ye wo bi o kon night and the same thing and you are preparing the child say obeko tertiary nti ade na wo ho no mo no wo de kire wo JHS SHS the same thing to go tertiary near ka chen so lectures and ajo 10 o'clock to 8 to 10 na the foforo
okay messa about subio we a maiden edition of political show they monitor rising and matters arising our NPP or manifesto or modi 2 via Saturday no na ye share manifesto ni mu no almost say Cape Coast you be see new airport and harbor and you see loans said them kan and after so 3 musical studios ewo Ashanti region Western and Nkampumpuni Mantemu as a political analyst Sani Emano enkan ni Cape Coast is it possible?
Everything is possible under the sun. Now, Cape Coast is the tourist hub of the country. Me pan they say it should have been developed to the stage. Say, we can the helicopter and go around so Okoshe site.
Oh, Cape Coast.
Okay. Yeah, na yo sorry in schools. Here, cause course catching be always the first point of call. Elimina Castle, Cape Coast Castle, Kakum. You see, tourist attraction, tourist sites are centralizing who. it is an economy on its own. And debia so search play be call you see abrofo be 10 before me sir. It will tell you that people really patronize those places. It is say obinya the opportunity say obetimi aswing between these places at a faster rate. It means your economy there will run faster.
All right.
Then mom say eho kono eye den na eye ya na me chance na me dru ha it will slow me activity to patronize those places. It say Cape Coast ehia airport and I say Cape Coast ehia airport at the moment me nyanya document bia aye any economic analysis say nipa dodo say ene ko Cape Coast in a year tourists for dodo say ene free this region echo dodo say free this region because then how they compare from Accra to Cape Coast because they can do the routes but bia make us say no omo mbeko Cape no wo kokora na from there where do they go? They may be coming from there to the Ashanti region to another tourist site. And so when there's an airport, they're moving from Cape to Ashanti region. Commuting between the regions will be easier and faster. So if we're able to do that analysis, you will say these are the number of people that throng in to Cape Coast, say you buy business, say you buy for tourism. Because airports, it has its own constituency of people that are going to patronize it. And now they are obia or pampa bo kumase, ekoton Cape Coast, ever plane. Enya dia obi a no adokono wa akoton Cape edibefa plane obefa car. And so that constituency what analysis any aye won say their movement nipa do say in a year kasha enye free won ho. Some people know what is their economic background. Are they people who can, will and able to afford to travel within these places with aeroplane? This year, yes, I didn't say. I think you won't say it's the need. Let's go ahead and do it. With the harbor, Mimi Nyayanka, every part of the country I see will be, and we should have a harbor. Say the baby ma ye neme ye no aye
pressure and muscle.
Pressure enko di baby faako tema harbor ene enko di ho nko a ye mbuem because o mampani ku for time no kuma se ha adjuso ho no ye inland port Buankra inland port do puni ha de but aye porter ne mani free poso ba mo this part of the country ekon north no muntwa mu nkonkan makwa claim of goose dem ebedru ye na ye hunse nipa na all kind of then what they say you know the beba abegu aha so there be movement and things e be faster to say you need analysis na e dream say ehu hia. I think we should go for it. It's very, very important. Now, make a kakra so on the student loan without a guarantor. I think it's a very good thing our government did ever because say ukotesha na open loan ba guarantor easy
enough for
now me sharp man we are. I will say this is a very smart government. They provide a certain wheels a bit me also every aspect of the economy in Ananti. So when they came in, they decided to digitize the economy, where the digitization becomes a wheeler. All aspects of the economy can ride on. What they digitize the economy now, no they Ghana card by. It is when you register as a Ghanaian, everywhere you are, you can be monitored. It is a minimal loan without a guarantor. Say, oh, if you you need to provide, say, a one. Your 10 numbers is say from next year no Ghana card number be your sana in the 10 number. That number no so the number your Ghana card number your 10 number. You can be monitored anytime anywhere. Your tax whether you are paying because you show Ghana card number now near key into the system and we know you are paying tax. It will build that infrastructure now. But you carry into I think say baby what do not say or go for loans without guarantor. No. You can't fault him because we are building the infrastructure to carry it along. Without that infrastructure, they say, but they say the Ghana card number no, and only any 10 number. So also be a more Ghana and Kwandia. Until maybe miss a 10 number. So first you want a 10 number, so you run your income tax. So you're able to monitor him say, Uji loan we what you are now say a banking crisis when can be say or no more in banks no abani ba say yeah consolidated combre we banks carry loans no because with your Ghana card or number it is attached to your GPS address, it's attached to your everything. It is attached. It is one stop infrastructure and it can provide a whole lot of information about you. Sasuna rent at the no. It sounds okuta a 10 number no. A Ghana card no. You can be followed and you can be paid for. Now challenge kakra me want to say. Yeah, part of the country no. If you are no rent now or charge on or did you dynamo? And yes, Danny radio. That has been our challenge. Oh, man, 2 years. 2 years, maybe 2,500. 2,500, we 1,800. ABCC, then you know amount. I don't know how is the government going to go by that, because social the government bana Emra was saying rent more than 6 months. But who are buying? What are you doing for the fear and everything? Mama, what may go by that? The government mean the government say okay. The man say me just say me to amount. Then on to even 2 years. On to every month. Month and the best one no pushing fear as come. Month the best one no pushing fear as come. So the baby to monitor attend tax. Be as I say what? Now say me fear. As soon as Madame say before I can give out a dino. It's a me dining that level where habitable say nipa to be better. This will make the economy grow faster. Remember housing project move faster because me person I buy obinya me fie na buy tua me car. Me fie ni ntem. Me am pesi car ma de say me nsa be kam sika afia buy ho. It me so say this is I'm saying that this is a very smart government who has provided the very basic infrastructure that is pulling all of its policies, which is a very good thing to do. Now, see, continue say as Omaya said the chairman to be kind of say abroad has come to Ghana.
Okay, now attest that Sabrina Ebrano Eko. It's quickly order me my major final comments now.
Kakra make a port ne airport any harbor. But say Binuka say from construction, we used to be a business economy because Omon Beka Yaduma won't be did. Tino no ton document, no ton soup or bebe hotels a woho on be rented. If ye woho on be rented, what you say, and then your home a home.
I don't mean Chawano Cross, okay, maybe I call Uti region.
Yeah,
Shakayo Muyi. Hotel come because he
or the
China for no honor that's a bay project. It will boost a lot of our economical activities in that particular area.
Inti Medasiminia Inti Emunia Washa Niama Temaport Mubu amount for Nina say we are there and one also do Niamafa. What you say about the opportunity? Said that some call tax credit into show will be what tax credit will fit that credit. I see a cotema. I go eat in Yama. Just say, baby, oh, or money will be the only way I just say me cotema. Me cotema habo. If you look at the number of people who go there in a day, Miss me here, dear no. Nipa no so the only thing say pay and let me favor you. But if I have the opportunity, let me acquire afrawo mako yi wo ho but the sea will be a port or let me acquire maybe sir yet ye kokrom say see ya na ye baby sir baby I by fire ye by ye GPS address na che say I have say traffic quiet ye kwan ba ko ye den either how we took that one na ye de be den ye de be do what I didn't say omo ya ebeboa papa because onu abrofo in e ko no ya no bi can say yen dualization of the road and mum na ebeboa. Cape Coast was our capital town. Into Osanka airport npo de ye ni kura ye obe 3 wo because we are developing exade na higher no and ye yi kwan ya na ye ni double lane but emri bi be ba double lane no anas emwa yen Inti rana na ye wo opportunity no say ye expand if only we can do it. Inti be there me who say it's good say government nso obey port ni ye den e wo ye nyina ye mo ano no ye both airport and then the harbor onye ni mi oni nyina because some years to come no 10 years ago near nam 25 million near nam 30 inti some 10 years to come no 20 years to come 30 years to come no your population baby ebedu no your best say na wo show say but at first no na Ghana education rate do na do saying but when say ye koye which means say ye koye me ye educated no so your financial status will be say nene ni pado don full play na 10-20 years time to come no first na trot plane me kan say na man for ntia say na hukuma say ha na organ na ya track pe and there was stable you so many of them added because passengers na then are also but 10 years ago it wasn't like that. It is a no 10 years ago we had to Kumasi airport is for just Accra Kumasi but when say and when we have an international airport but cost anka 10 years ago be cost 2 years no near ni 10 year international airport in case our cost will be less than today so we should always think ahead and ye bibiana ye the bear politics once it will benefit all of us and I think say we should it's very good say obo beden omu eye ewo hono na futo ba kwam sa di twa to say me usa aban no man kwala da aduane yesre caterers no ebi ye adwuma pa ebi so de enye ebi de enye me pa chawo ye ka chawo se ebetu ya 2 cedi na agi 2 mu nti yes 2 cedi ho aduane ye ka chawo se ebetu ya 5 cedi na agi 2 mu men kote wo mfa so ho because we den ya benya mfa so and na we ni ye kurampo na e maldin pa sa next time no government no dey burden we ye na affect government no office no obi ba no mfa sa policy na mba e burden when ye bia ye se didi da and ye didi preko nti omo ye aduane no omo ye na incentive for no so no omo mi enjoy negative because at least say krokakra kawe yana only one school per St. Prince afia no mom na be topic a obi aye den e discuss it's good say ye can bad news sales there but at least baby e was say ye baba so no so ye den ye maba so tu no no ye can obi nka so ye bias na de wakọ wadin say ne enya nkwa na da bia me report in station do mom they've never seen anything good oh yes
station boss so they've never seen anything
what you say
it balances it
aha na etu omofo say enya eya ni nya ya chechire o
medase Yaw Martin a political analyst and after Dame Yabuanso a political analyst. Matters arising NPP Manifesto 2020 and I a Bremo a maiden edition in our political show our Ashtown Radio. Maiden the audition ba Kofi Kyoko. Madam Crew ni na ase me do bi bia o je bre no tie no hwe yi nyina so ase. Ene yentena da se na ye be se hia ya kram.
Madam, a plenty as one at offer. The boss I could chop back, and a chin and papa. Your sister was a bra, made you fear near some tedious. Of a same crano. Bra, Umukumpanos and Umukum back. The Umpra, the coin or catcher. The circle, and a papa between was he a cheer crans anyway. Bra, a chin son, I walk on. Offer for the fourth. For Bewu with them. Sister, can you know better? Madam, them plans only to me with papa. One funny baby and go school or four. So when you're there, what now? A home mobile. Madam, won't be very plan or come to live in a faculty. What to blow the puff? Go back on one in the match. Blah, more tetty. Project. Boss, what on you tell one of your 5 cents. Money here in the money. Hey, you have driven that down. Here, sister, you are Malam Johnson. Was silly guinea sending a vow, laugh, or call any prayer to one offer. No more, must say, Malam Johnson. The coin or catch them. And I'm saying, they didn't baby, yes. Madame Incura, won't move for someone to a baby, and I was in on to the side in a tomato. It will be a bit of a section. I can say you. Could we offer you a millionaire fish, not our patrol? Ohia no masa, Pakuma Obla no use. Offense, a million bet to what time for